Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to integrate Zapier with Gmail. First, open any preferred browser and search for Zapier. This will take you to the official Zapier website. Make sure to sign into your account. To get started, click on the Create button at the top left corner and select New Zap from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to set up a new automation. For the trigger of your Zap, select Gmail from the pop-up menu. Now choose a specific event like whenever a new email is received and tap on Continue. You will then be required to sign into your Google account to connect it. For the action, you can select anything you prefer like Google Docs and choose an event such as creating a new document from the email text. Continue to the next step, and again you will be prompted to sign into your Google account to connect it. After connecting both your Gmail and Google Docs accounts, you can customize the Zap further by mapping the email details to the Google Docs fields. Once you're satisfied with the setup, turn the Zap on and it will start automatically creating new Google Docs documents whenever you receive a new email. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.